1. On August 13th, local time in the United States, as expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut in September continue to boost market sentiment. The three major New York stock indexes opened higher and maintained their upward trend during the session. At the close of trading, all three New York stock indexes rose, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite Index both hitting new record highs. By the close of trading, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 463.66 points, or 1.04%, to close at 44,922.27. The S&P 500 rose 20.82 points, or 0.32%, to close at 6,466.58. And the Nasdaq Composite rose 31.24 points, or 0.2. In a media interview, U.S. Treasury Secretary Jeffrey Bessent expressed hope that Trump's nominee, Stephen Milan, chairman of the White House Council of Economic Advisers, would be confirmed as soon as possible to allow him to attend the September Fed meeting and potentially shift the Fed's policy stance. Goldman Sachs challenged Trump's icon, insisting that 2/3 of the tariff costs will be passed on to U.S. consumers, and that PCE inflation could reach 3.2% in the fourth quarter. 3. The probability of a September Fed rate cut has soared to 97%. The market expects the Fed to cut rates by 25 basis points at its September meeting, followed by 2 more cuts in December and March. U.S. Treasury Secretary Jeffrey Bessent's call for a 150 basis point rate cut fueled safe haven demand for gold, sending spot gold prices up 0.22%, 74 ounce, a one-week high.